Welcome to Classy Corner, your go-to destination for the best home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are diving into the art of mixing vintage textures with clean lines in modern farmhouse styling to elevate your living space. We will explore 10 unique ways to balance history with contemporary flair for a truly curated look. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on styling your dream home. Start by pairing a rugged reclaimed wood dining table with sleek, black metal chairs. The weathered surface provides a sense of history, while the thin lines of the seating keep the room feeling fresh. This juxtaposition ensures the space doesn't feel overly rustic or cold. It creates a perfect visual balance that defines the modern farmhouse aesthetic. Give your contemporary kitchen a touch of warmth by installing aged brass hardware on shaker-style cabinets. The patina of the metal adds a storied texture that softens the crisp, white surfaces of the room. These small vintage details act as jewelry for your home without cluttering the visual field. It is an easy way to bridge the gap between old-world charm and modern simplicity. Drape a heavy, hand-woven linen throw over a contemporary low-profile sofa to introduce organic depth. The natural slubs in the fabric provide a tactile contrast to the sofa's smooth, tailored upholstery. Neutral tones help unify these different eras, making the combination feel intentional and serene. Use layering to bring a cozy, lived-in feel to your streamlined living area. Incorporate an exposed stone accent wall behind a modern glass-enclosed staircase or room divider. The rough, uneven texture of the stone provides a dramatic backdrop for the transparent, architectural glass. This layout allows light to flow freely while anchoring the space with earthly, vintage elements. It turns a structural necessity into a stunning focal point of mixed materials. Ground your sleekest furniture pieces with a faded Persian-style rug, featuring intricate floral patterns. Hanging a bold, abstract canvas above this vintage foundation creates a striking dialogue between past and present. The rug's worn texture adds character that prevents the modern art from feeling too clinical. This pairing adds a sophisticated layer of complexity to any minimalist room. Use slim, wrought iron light fixtures to stand out against smooth white plaster walls. The dark, hand-forged metal offers a historical weight that contrasts beautifully with the airy modern wall finish. This technique highlights the craftsmanship of the metalwork while maintaining a bright and open atmosphere. It is a quintessential way to achieve that sought-after farmhouse contrast. Mount clean-lined industrial shelves and fill them with a collection of antique, mismatched stoneware crocks. The matte, weathered surfaces of the pottery add warmth to the cold, structured metal frames of the shelving. This display showcases your personality while keeping the storage solution functional and organized. It turns everyday objects into a curated museum-like exhibit of textures. Pair an original brick fireplace with a modern, matte black mantle for a sophisticated upgrade. The porous red texture of the brick feels grounded and historical next to the smooth, non-reflective finish of the wood. This combination updates a classic farmhouse feature into something that fits perfectly in a contemporary home. It is a bold way to highlight structural character with modern color palettes. Introduce a vintage leather armchair with deep cracks and color variations into a room featuring steel-framed windows. The organic aging leather provides a soft counterpoint to the rigid industrial feel of the black steel. This mix of materials invites people to relax while keeping the overall design language sharp. It creates a comfortable nook that feels both timeless and current. Install thick, hand-hewn ceiling beams and integrate modern recessed lighting for a hidden glow. The rough-sawn timber adds architectural height and a vintage rustic vibe to the ceiling. By using modern lighting tech, you ensure the room remains well-lit and functional for modern living. We hope these ideas inspired you, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more home design tips.